Okay, so here's another update of the bow. The tip has been stained. It hasn't quite dried off, but it's been stained. So it's looking almost the same as the wood of the bow, but that'll get oiled finally. And this is the cushioning under the leather. So the leather's going to go on top of this, and all this is, it's strips of cotton or any sort of cloth that's soft, and it gets wound around. There's about 5 pieces here, about 8 inches long. So you wind them up to a point, and then you wind up a bit more, and it just goes over and fastened in place with a bit of wood glue. Wood glue is just keeps it in place. So the leather will, once the leather goes on, that'll all stay into place, and that's the progress at the moment. And I'll put the leather grip on it and give it a coat of oil and show you the final product. So here's the final product. The bow is finished. The tip has been stained, and try to match it as much as we could with the other piece of wood. It was pine, so it was a bit difficult. I only had what I had, so I think it's matched up okay, not perfect. The bow was sanded and oiled with Scandinavian oil. I've played with the bow and it sounds okay. There's probably not too many hairs on it, but enough to produce some sound. So that's the grip that's gone on. It's a leather. That's it there, and that's a lot more comfortable than the plastic tape. And yeah, so it's given it a good little sand with 400 grit paper and Scandinavian oil, so it's nice and smooth. And that's the final product. I think it's worked out okay. You can comment below and let me know what you think. But there it is. Thanks for watching.